Hello everyone, Namaste. So, you are here to know how to attract your soulmate. What you have to do is, you have to accept yourself fully, deeply, and completely as you are now, at present. That ways you will attract your soulmate. What this means is that even if somebody tells you that what you are now, whatever flaws you have, there will be no change in the future in you. There will be no improvements. And still, with all those flaws you think you have, you fully accept yourself in the present. Then, if you do this, you will be able to manifest your soulmate. You will be able to attract your soulmate in your life. It might be a new person, it might be someone you already know, or it might be someone with whom earlier it couldn't work, but now they develop feelings of love for you. Also, accepting yourself fully in the present does not mean that you will not improve in the future. It just means that what you are now, you fully accept, you fully approve of. That's the way to attract your soulmate in your life. All the best with that. If you want to write anything to me, please use the YouTube comment section, comment there. You can also visit my website theaditigupta.com, that is theaditigupta.com. It's in the description box also. I pray to this universe that it makes you happy, healthy, prosperous, and may you stay close to Mother Nature always. With this is Aditi Gupta, life and business coach and strategist, signing off. Thank you.